cat on the refrigerator? Cat was on the cupboard, so now he's coming down. He says, I don't want to be on the video. Why don't you go on up? You look very cute. He's a very photogenic kitty. Yeah, you are. As long as he's up there safe. You want to be safe and away from everybody, don't you? Well, maybe he'll go up there. He was way up in the cupboards up there. I don't even see them. There they are. Somehow or other he gets up there. Yes, he does. He's such a pretty boy. Yes, you are. You're a pretty boy. Do you know you're pretty? I bet you do. Yes, you do. You're ready for your close-up, aren't you? Aww. What's Daddy doing over here? Hey, Daddy doing dishes? I'm doing nothing. Look at my plants. And Kitty is way up here looking so nice. Looking so nice. Yeah. Oh, pretty boy. Look at those eyes. I think I'm getting about as close as I can get. Yeah.